Hey everyone! Today's video is going to be a simple video. It is going to be a Birchbox video. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather this past week, so I wanted to do something light, but that still involved makeup. So, it's Birchbox time. This month's theme is Find Your Happy. Right there. And so I'm going to go ahead and start off listing these products. The first is the complexion boosting moisturizer with hyaluronic acid from Airy Pear. I've never really heard of this brand before. And the full size will retail for $23. So it says this rejuvenating cream, formulated with frequent flyers of all skin types in mind, is filled with antioxidants and humectants that moisturize a dry, stressed out complexion. Which works for me because I've been feeling a little stressed out lately, so let's try this out. So that's a little covering. Here we go. There we go. Put some on my face and let's see how this goes. Try to get this thing. There we go. Alright. Well, definitely feels a little cool on the face. It's getting more on my finger than it is on my face. Oh, it has a smell to it. It has a smell, but it's not an overpowering scent to it. It definitely just smells like face moisturizer. I always have problems with my nose. I feel like it's the driest area. So, oh, I don't see any little skin bumps that I tend to see after I put on moisturizer, which is what stresses me out sometimes because my nose, for whatever reason, is super dry. It's like the driest part of my whole face. So sometimes even when I put moisturizer, I still see like little, I don't know, little skin kind of that's just like still parched, but I haven't seen it with this moisturizer yet. So we shall see. Alright, the next product, I'm just going to start pulling them out and how I see them, is the Love of Color Ultra Lip Gloss Pencil. Purple Rain is the name of the color. Its full size value is for $10. I've previously received another Love of Color lipstick in my Birchbox from a while ago, and I love it. I love the color, and it feels so good and so creamy, and I got moisturizer all over my hands, so trying to take off the cap is going to be a little difficult. I might have to call my husband. This is embarrassing. And there's no like plastic to it too. Oh, snappers. Yeah, oh, no, there we go. I got it. I was super close to calling my husband too, like super close. All right, here we go. Um, You know, I have to say I'm a little disappointed with this. Um, you can tell that I have color on my face. Sorry, I always look at my screen and not my camera, my bad. You can tell that I definitely have color on my lips, but it's very sticky looking. Let me go through it again. Because it's ultra gloss, so it's like a glossy lip pencil. That's the first thing it says in its description. I'm not a glossy type person. I don't like lip glosses a lot because it always feels so sticky to me. And it just whenever you put them on, I don't feel like the color really stays or that there's much color to them. So I'm not super excited about this one, which is unfortunate because I do love the brand. It's a good brand, even though I've only tried one product, but I do love the brand. Um, yeah, this one's not for me. Alright then, moving on. I did get the Oribe Supershine Moisturizing Cream, or Oribe, however people say it. I say Oribe. It says, work into damp hair, blow out or dry naturally. Use on strays throughout the day. I'm not going to try this on because obviously I don't have damp hair right now. But the full size, oh wow. Full size is $52 for this product. So I really hope it's worth it. And when I try it out, I'll see. I'll see if it's worth it. I don't know. Alright. Next thing on the list is from Stella Cosmetics. It is the Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Full size is valued at $23. It says, this inky black mascara lets your lashes go big in every way. One coat leaves major volume, curl, and length. So let's see about that statement. And as you can see, my voice is kind of off because, like I said, I've been under the weather this past week, which kind of stinks because I was really hoping that today I'd be better. Oh, the lighting. There we go. Well, I can definitely say that it's not clumpy, that's for sure. I'm gonna switch it up. There we go. Which is good because I don't like clumps. I don't really care if my mascara gives me volume or length or anything. I just care that it doesn't give me clumps. If a mascara gives me clumps, then it's all over for that mascara. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not. But yeah, definitely lets you know there's mascara there. Oh, snappers. I got it a little bit under my eye when I closed it because you're not supposed to like close it right away. So let's give it a minute to dry. And I did not do that. Alright, and then last but not least, and I am excited to try this one, is an eyeshadow from a brand I have never heard of. It is from Doucce. I'm going to go with Doucce Cosmetics. It's the Freematic eyeshadow single in the color Veronica. The full size retails for $10. Plus, as a bonus, I can get 30% off the palette until the end of March of this year, which I think is awesome because if I like it, I can look at the palette. This isn't an eyeshadow color that I would normally go with, so I'm a little nervous but excited to try it out. It looks a little shimmery, which I like. But first, I'm going to put on my primer. Okay. Oh no, it came out. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush. Tap, tap. I'm trying to go as fast as I can, but I don't want to go too fast because I also don't want this video to be super short. Issue. Just as I suspected. Which kind of stinks for me. Okay, so it looks very, very light on me. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me bring it closer without being like a creeper. So that's the color on my eye. So it's definitely shimmery, but it's not. Obviously, I knew once I saw it that it wasn't going to bring a pop of color to my eyes. It's more of like a neutral, nude type of eyeshadow. I do think it's going to be great for days when I feel like wearing eyeshadow, but I just don't feel like wearing something that's going to take too long or that's going to be super noticeable, like on days where I'm just wanting a more natural look. And it does have shimmer to it, so you can definitely tell that it's eyeshadow. But it's not a huge hit for me. I like colors that pop, and this just did not really do it for me. Ah, it fell. I got it back. Don't see. I just gotta make sure I properly put it in a little tin, and then I put it. Okay, I have to get back in here so that it doesn't fall. There we go. Yeah, so that's pretty much all the products. I was super excited about this Birchbox because I saw a lot of great things. I saw the eyeshadow, the lip color, the mascara, the hair products, and the moisturizer. And so I thought really good products, things I haven't tried before. But I'm kind of bummed because it didn't turn out the way I had thought it would. The only things that I think I like are the mascara and the moisturizer so far. And I mean, I have yet to try this, so maybe this will definitely make the Birchbox worth it this month, but these two were definite, failures in my mind. So that's disappointing, but it's $10. It's samples, so I can't complain. And in the end, I still always find something to like and love and to wear. So, hey. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. See ya.